We are driving out to Abiqua Falls. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. There's how it's written. Whoa. Jeez. And we're gonna go for a hike and look at these snowy mountains over there. And we're seeing little bits of snow on the ground. Oh, here's where cars have stopped who said that's far enough for me. But we're gonna try to see how far we can make it. Because the further we drive, the less hiking there is, and we don't want to have that much time.
All the way back up. Like,
no, that's
just a giant
yeah.
hill.
So let's see. Wish us luck. Here's our first treacherous
obstacle.
Yes. Oh my gosh! Whoa! What is that?
We're on 2 wheels.
Oh, we made it! Woo! I totally forgot to record, but we just went through a couple of massive puddles. And there were 3 cars that had stopped and just parked there and decided not to try the puddles. And we, whether we're dumb or not, I don't know, but we tried them and they were shallow. So we made it. Okay, so we're parked here. Subaru over here, just try not to show the license plate. And then there's this gate. And you don't go that way. We thought we did, but that's the wrong way. Where? Oh, so maybe we go this way. So there's our car parked right there, and here's the trail. There are these pink, I've got a log I gotta step over here, but there are these pink flags tied so that you know that you're on the right trail, which is good because there are some offshoots and we totally just went the wrong way for like a minute. You can't see it super well in the video, but right there, there's a rope that you have to hold, or you don't have to, but that you can hold coming down because it's quite slippery. But this part of the trail is a little better.
It's short, but it's just the reason why it's moderate difficulty is because of that.
Yeah.
Stuff like that.
A little treacherous. You can't see it very well, but let's see, where's my finger? This right here, this log, we just came right down that way. And there was a rope, and we just rappelled down through there. And this is so pretty. It's so crystal clear and blue. And we can hear the waterfall. We're close. We got our first glimpse. Ready? Boom. We've been out here for like probably 20 minutes or so, all by ourselves. There's no one else out here, just taking pictures. Someone else is coming in right now though, so we're about to not be alone. We're headed back now, but I think it took us maybe like 15 minutes to get down here once we figured out the right trail. We'll see. Hopefully we can get back that quickly. So here's the like rope that you hold and you pull yourself up this. So that's what we're about to do. Wish us luck. Back in the car, we made it. It probably took us, I guess it took us about 20 minutes to walk back, and then we took our shoes off and all that. That was fun. Hope you enjoyed coming along with us. Definitely a great hike, but it is probably the most difficult hike I've ever done, but it's very short. And you don't have to be like in super shape, but it was difficult because you needed ropes to get where you're going, and it was treacherous, you know? So, you know, maybe not for kids. Would be pretty hard to bring a dog on, but I did see people with dogs. And I definitely recommend that you bring gloves for the ropes because my hands would have been so muddy and nasty and probably a little rope burned otherwise. So I'd do it again though. I'd like to come back maybe in the summer and like actually get into the water.
I'm sure it's hot, like when you're not.
I got sweaty and it's only 49 degrees, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was fun. Thanks for coming along with us.